the second quarter-final of the Sakshi K-Circle Schools Quiz. We had an exciting first quarter-final with 3 teams qualifying for the semi-finals. The quarter-final consists of 4 rounds of quizzing with varying formats. There will be 2 written rounds, 1 round of traditional quizzing, and 1 final buzzer round. Before we start this quarter-final, let's meet the teams. On team 1, we have Geetanjali Devashala from Balam Rai. Your names, guys?
Sudarshan.
Sudarshan and?
Avirat.
Avirat. And what are your favorite quizzing topics?
Science.
Science?
Sports.
And sports. Welcome Sudarshan and Avirat. Best of luck. On team 2, we have Geetanjali Senior School from Begumpet. Your names?
Ritvik Sahar.
Ritvik and?
Srijan Kumar.
And Srijan. Ritvik and Srijan, what are your favorite quizzing topics?
My favorite quizzing topics are science, GK and history.
And yours?
Mine are sports and pop culture.
Welcome Geetanjali Senior School. And on team 3, we have Delhi Public School, Hyderabad. Your names, please.
Oh, my name is Manan.
My name is Bhargav.
Manan and Bhargav. What are your favorite quizzing topics?
Oh, my favorite quizzing topics is current affairs and sports.
Mine are literature and business.
Welcome Manan and Bhargav. Best of luck. On team 4, we have Hyderabad Public School from Begumpet. And your names?
Pranav. I'm Pratyush.
Alright, Pranav and Pratyush, what are your favorite quizzing topics?
Oh, mine are literature and arts.
And mine are space and Indian mythology.
Fantastic. Pranav and Pratyush, best of luck. If you're ready, let's start with round 1. Round 1 is a written round with 4 questions open to all teams and 10 points for a correct answer. There are no negatives, right? So I will ask you a question and then tell you that your time starts now. You'll have 15 seconds to answer the question. If you're ready, let's start with question number 1 in round 1. Best of luck to all teams. Here's question number 1. Director Pete Docter worked with emotions expert Darker Keltner and psychologist Paul Ekman on a movie project that portrayed emotions in a novel way. Your time starts now. Name the movie. Okay, HPS Begumpet, do you have an answer? Please. HPS Begumpet says Inside Out. Delhi Public School, do you have an answer? It said Edge of Tomorrow. Geetanjali says Inside Out, and Geetanjali Devashala also says Inside Out. Let's look at the answer. And the answer is Inside Out. So that gives HPS Begumpet, Geetanjali Senior School and Geetanjali Devashala 10 points apiece. Let's move to question number 2 in round 1. And it looks like this. It's a long question. I'll read it out for you. After the German victory over France in World War II, the Nazi Party planned to deport Jews from Europe to this island colony. The idea was later cancelled. Name this erstwhile French colony that lends its name to a Hollywood franchise that started in 2005. And your time starts now. Okay, team 2, do you have an answer? Geetanjali Senior School. Geetanjali Senior School says Madagascar. Delhi Public School, do you have an answer?
No answer.
You said Fiji. Hyderabad Public School, do you have an answer?
Waterloo.
You said Waterloo. And Geetanjali Devashala says Madagascar. Both the Geetanjali schools get themselves 10 points. Team 1 and Team 2 get 10 points for that lovely answer. The answer is Madagascar. Let's move on to question number 3 if you're ready, teams. It looks like this. Which mountain range that gave its name to a geological age borders the Alps and follows the course of the France-Switzerland border? It is known for its fossil-bearing limestone formations that were studied by a German explorer called Humboldt. Your time starts now. Public School, do you have an answer?
No.
HPS Begumpet, they're saying Rhine. Let's see what Geetanjali Devashala has to say.
Pyrenees.
They're saying the Pyrenees. And Geetanjali Senior School have the right answer. It is the Jura Mountains, from where you get the Jurassic Age. Fantastic answering there from Geetanjali Senior School. Let's move on to the fourth and final question of this written round. Name this disease that has been used as a bioweapon and is named after the Greek word for coal because of the characteristic black lesions developed by persons with the infection. Your time starts now. Geetanjali Devashala, do you have an answer?
Anthrax.
Anthrax. Geetanjali Senior School also says anthrax. Delhi Public School, do you have an answer? Delhi Public School isn't answering. HPS Begumpet also says anthrax. All those who said anthrax get 10 points apiece. So that's Team 1, Team 2 and Team 4. Fantastic answering there. That brings us to the end of round 1. And let's move on to round 2. Are you guys ready? This round is a plain quizzing round, right? This means that a question goes to Team 1. If Team 1 doesn't answer it, it passes all the way across, and it's 10 points for an answer regardless of who answers it, whether it's on a pass or a direct. Let's move to question number 1 in round 2. English words like chirography and chiropractic have a Greek origin. The prefix chiro in these words comes from the Greek word chir that refers to a part of the human body. The word is cognate with the Sanskrit word for the same part of the body. The question to you is, what is the Sanskrit word? And your time starts now. Geetanjali Devashala, do you have an answer? No. You're passing?
The Sanskrit word is kar and the part of the body is hand.
The Sanskrit word is kar or kara as the case may be, and it means hand. It's a fantastic answer from Geetanjali Senior School, Team 2, 10 points to you. And that takes us to the next question, which is for Delhi Public School. In his 2012 campaign, US presidential candidate Mitt Romney publicly discussed his affiliation with a religious tradition in Christianity. This religious movement was founded by somebody called Joseph Smith in the early 1800s. It appears in Arthur Conan Doyle's story, A Study in Scarlet. The question is, what movement or what branch of Christianity are we speaking of? And your time starts now.
Catholic.
Did you mean Catholic?
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's not Catholic. Let's move. Mormon. It is Mormonism, and HPS Begumpet get themselves 10 points for that lovely answer. Let's move on to question number 3. This is for you, team number 1, Geetanjali Devashala. Irving Stone was an American writer, chiefly known for his biographical novels of noted artists, politicians, and intellectuals. 2 of his biographical works are called The Origin and Passions of the Mind. What we need you to do is tell us the subjects of each of these books. The subject of the book Origin and the subject of the book Passions of the Mind. And your time starts now. Geetanjali Devashala, you have an answer?
No.
They're passing. Geetanjali Senior School, team number 2.
You don't have an answer.
We don't have an answer.
You don't have an answer. Delhi Public School, Hyderabad. Do you have an answer?
No answer.
HPS, Begumpet.
We'll say that the origin is Charles Darwin
Okay.
and passions of the mind is Sigmund Freud.
And you get yourself 10 great earned points. Well done there. Gitanjali Devashala again. This is your question. Are you ready? It's a long question, so listen carefully. This word, used in a metaphorical context, applies to a charitable person, especially one who rescues or helps out a needy stranger. The metaphor comes from a parable told by Jesus, mentioned in one of the Gospels of the New Testament. According to the Gospel of Luke, a traveler is stripped of clothing, beaten, and left half dead along a road. First a priest and then a Levite come by, but both avoid the man. Finally, a dash comes by and helps the injured man. Just fill in that blank and your time starts now. Team 1, do you have an answer?
Yeah, donor. Is it donor?
No, it's not donor. Gitanjali Senior School, do you have an answer?
Samaritan.
Samaritan is the absolute right answer. It's a fantastic answer from Gitanjali Senior School. At the end of 2 rounds of quizzing in the second quarter final, let's see where the teams stand. We have Gitanjali Senior School at Team 2, leading at this point with 60 points. HPS Begumpet is second with 40 points. Gitanjali Devashala is on 30 points, and DPS Hyderabad have yet to open their account. It's time for a quick break. We'll see you on the other side of this break. Let's move to round 3 of this second quarter final. Let me explain the rules of round 3 before we start. Round 3 is a written round with a small twist. If one team gets an answer to a written question, then that team gets 15 points. If 2 teams get the answer right, then they each get 10 points. And if 3 teams get an answer right, they get 5 points apiece. If all teams answer the question correctly, then they get 0 points. Right? So we have 5 questions in this round. Are you ready for question number 1? Literally meaning excellent art. Which word in the Indian national anthem is the name of an ancient kingdom located in the north and eastern parts of modern day Odisha? Your time starts now. Gitanjali Devashala, do you have an answer?
Yeah.
You have not written anything, so we won't give you a chance. Gitanjali Senior School says Kalinga. Delhi Public School is not answering. Hyderabad Public School says Utkala. And the answer is Utkala. That's a fantastic answer from HPS. You get yourselves 15 points for that effort. Let's move on to question number 2 in this written round. And it looks like this. Which book was the acclaimed Doordarshan serial Bharat Ek Khoj based on? And your time starts now. Delhi Public School, what's your answer?
Discovery of India.
Discovery of India. Hyderabad Public School, what is your answer? You're saying Discovery of India too.
Discovery of
Devashala
India.
says
Discovery of
Discovery of India.
The
Gitanjali
Discovery
Senior
of
School
India.
Even
says
we
the Discovery of India. And all of you are right and all of you get nothing for it. Let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 looks like this. A British doctor named William Shaughnessy sent the first one from Kolkata to Diamond Harbour in 1850. The last ones were sent by Ashwini Mishra to Rahul Gandhi and S.M. Khan, Director General of DD News, on July 14, 2013 Your time starts now. Tell me what we're talking about. Gitanjali Devashala, do you have an answer?
Yeah, Telegram.
You're saying telegram. Gitanjali Senior School also says telegraphy.
Telegraph.
Okay, you say telegraphy.
Telegram.
DPS says telegram, and HPS also says telegram, and the answer is telegram. I will not give Gitanjali Senior School points for this one. So Team 1, Team 3 and Team 4 get 5 points apiece because the answer is the telegram. Right? The telegraph is something on which the telegram eventually came up, but we can't give you points for telegram. Let's move to the fourth question. There are only 2 surviving species of monotremes. They are both indigenous to Australia and New Guinea. Name both. If you want points for this, you have to name both. You don't get half points because it's relative score. And your time starts now. Okay, Gitanjali Senior School, do you have an answer?
Platypus and echidna.
Platypus and echidna. Delhi Public School, do you have an answer?
Koala and kangaroo.
You've said koala and kangaroo.
Getting some points.
HPS,
Kangaroo and wallaby.
kangaroo and wallaby.
Echidna or duck-billed platypus.
Spiny
Echidna
anteater.
and duck-billed platypus. Now let's look at the answer. The platypus and the echidna are absolutely right. So Team 1 and Team 2 get themselves 10 points apiece. If you're ready for question number 5. The following clip is from the movie Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and it shows some friends recreating something. What you have to do is identify the tune. Your time starts as soon as the video ends. So HPS Begumpet, do you have an answer? It says Sare Jahan Se Acha. Let's see what Gitanjali Devashala has to say. You wrote Senorita. What did Gitanjali Senior School say? It says it's the Doordarshan logo formation audio. Okay, what does DPS say? Senorita. It says Senorita. Let's look at what the answer is. It is the Doordarshan title tune, and that means that Team 2 gets 15 points for that fantastic effort of theirs. Well done, Gitanjali Senior School. And that brings us to the end of another exciting round of quizzing. Let's look at where the score stands at this point. Gitanjali Senior School is way ahead in the lead with 85 points. HPS Begumpet has 60 points. Gitanjali Devashala is third with 45 points. And DPS Hyderabad have 5 points. Let's start with the buzzer round. We have 6 questions with +5 and -5 for a correct answer and for a wrong answer. If you're ready on your buzzers, can we start now? Question number 1. Which Prime Minister of India was once Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
PV Narasimha Rao.
PV Narasimha Rao is correct, and you get yourself 5 points. Ready for question number 2? Which Pakistani fast bowler made his cricket test debut along with Sachin Tendulkar in 1989? Gitanjali Devashala.
Wasim Akram.
Wasim Akram is wrong, and you get -5. It's Waqar Yunus. If you're ready for question number 3, what do the letters D and C in Washington DC stand for?
District of Columbia.
District of Columbia is right. Gitanjali Senior School gets yourself 5 points for that. If you're ready for question number 4, open to all teams on the buzzer. Which Bollywood action hero's real name is Rajiv Hariom? Yes, Gitanjali Devashala, what's your answer?
Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar is absolutely right. You get yourself 5 points for that. Let's move to question number 5 on the buzzer. What is obtained using the formula pi d, where d is the diameter of a circle? Delhi Public School, Hyderabad.
Circumference of a
Circumference of a circle is the absolute correct answer. You get yourself 5 points for that. And we're down to the last question in this quiz. Which month of mourning falls between the Hijjah and the Safar months in the Islamic calendar? Geetanjali Senior School.
Muharram.
Muharram is absolutely right. You get yourself another 5 points to add to your fantastic score.
Congratulations, we lost.
That brings us to the end of the buzzer round and the end of this quarterfinal. Let's see where the teams stand. Geetanjali Senior School wins this quiz with a whopping 95 points, and HPS Begumpet is second with 65, Geetanjali Devashala with 45 points, and Delhi Public School Hyderabad with 10 points. That means that Geetanjali Senior School and HPS Begumpet have made it to the semi-finals of the Sakshi K Circle School Quiz. Thank you for watching and join us for our next quarterfinal.